hey, if you connect your earbuds or headphones into your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but you actually cannot find LDAC in the settings, then you have to actually go into mobile application of your headphones or earbuds. So in my case, I've got AI Live application from Huawei. You'll have to just open your device and you have to find something like sound quality mode or connection mode. And you have to switch from connection quality to the sound quality. And now when you do this, you have to just wait because your earbuds will basically restart. And when it will be finished, then you can just simply go into your mobile application. So you have to just basically reconnect with your earbuds, like in my case, and after a few seconds you will be able to actually get this LDAC. As you can see here, I have some kind of the connection issue. Let's be patient and let's wait a little bit. There we are. And as you can see right now, when I'm gonna click here, I can actually find LDAC and I can just turn it on. So that's how it works. And it will only works if you actually can get access into this sound quality settings. So if your earbuds or headphones doesn't actually support a mobile application, then probably you'll be not able to get LDAC inside this Bluetooth settings.